Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add custom domain on Payhip. The process is very quick and simple. You just have to follow my steps till the end and don't miss any point. So let's get started. You can see this domain page on their website or their platform. So what you have to do is you have to log into your domain provider and then you have to go to your DNS settings or DNS zone. This could be Namecheap, Cloudflare or GoDaddy. Then you have to add a new CNAME record, for example, type, name, target, DDL, and proxy. After entering all the details, you have to save them and now log into your Payhip dashboard. Once logged in, go to the store option and tap on domains. In the domains menu, you have to select connect existing domains. Then enter your full subdomain and click connect. Once connected, Payhip will verify your domain. If everything is correct, you will see a success message. DNS updates can take a few minutes up to 24 hours depending on your provider, so just wait patiently. Once verified, your Payhip store will be live at your custom domain, giving you your own branded link instead of the default Payhip URL. And that's all. That's how you will be able to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.